Have you ever come across Stella's closet on Poshmark? Well, let me tell you, Stella is a top seller who managed to become quite successful and monetize her closet in a short time. However, this has cost her a lot of time and effort. Come on, let's deep dive into how she increased her sales by over 40%. Following a long surf on the internet, she found Prime Lister that can do the daily tasks on Poshmark on behalf of her. She noticed an increase in her sales after she started using Prime Lister to share her closet as much as she wanted without any limit. She also got noticed by more shoppers than usual when she utilized Prime Lister to share the products she selected from her closet on the Poshmark parties. She even gained new followers that shop from her closet soon with the help of Prime Lister that auto-follows other people. But her favorite way of using Prime Lister was to like other people's items automatically to have more impressions on her closet. Voila! You are one step away to share the success story of Stella. Take your time with your family and friends to have fun and do more important things in life while Prime Lister is growing your closet on Poshmark. Visit PrimeLister.com and start using free today.